Pakistan, a land of breathtaking beauty and ancient history, lies nestled in South Asia. This country is a mosaic of landscapes, from the towering peaks of the Himalayas to the vast deserts of Thar. Its natural beauty is complemented by a rich cultural heritage that dates back thousands of years. It shares borders with India to the east, where the historic Wagah border stands as a symbol of both division and connection. Afghanistan and Iran to the west, with rugged terrains and ancient trade routes that have witnessed the passage of countless civilizations. And China to the north, where the majestic Kunjarab Pass connects the two nations through the highest paved international border crossing in the world. The Arabian Sea graces its southern shores, providing a coastline that stretches over 1,000 kilometers, dotted with beautiful beaches and bustling ports. The country covers an area of 796,095 square kilometers, making it slightly larger than France. This vast expanse includes a variety of ecosystems, from coastal mangroves to alpine meadows. Its strategic location at the crossroads of Central Asia, South Asia, and the Middle East has shaped its unique identity. This positioning has made it a melting pot of cultures, languages, and traditions. Pakistan's rich tapestry of cultures, languages, and traditions reflects its diverse history. Festivals, music, and art thrive in this vibrant land, showcasing the spirit of its people. From the towering peaks of the Himalayas to the fertile plains of the Indus River, the country offers a stunning array of natural wonders. The country boasts a remarkable range of geographical features, each contributing to its unique charm and allure. Whether it's the serene beauty of its northern mountains or the vibrant life along its rivers, Pakistan is truly a gem in South Asia. Pakistan's geography is a captivating blend of contrasts. The northern region is dominated by the majestic Himalayas, Karakoram, and Hindu Kush mountain ranges. Here, towering peaks pierce the sky, including the world's second highest peak, K2. The region is renowned for its stunning glaciers, alpine meadows, and serene lakes. Southward, the landscape transitions into the fertile Indus Plain. This vast alluvial plain, formed by the Indus River and its tributaries, is the backbone of Pakistan's agriculture. Further west, the landscape transforms into arid deserts, including the Thar Desert and the Cholistan Desert. These deserts, with their rolling sand dunes and unique ecosystems, possess a stark beauty of their own. Pakistan experiences a wide range of climatic conditions due to its diverse topography. The northern mountainous regions have an alpine climate characterized by long cold winters and short cool summers. Precipitation falls mainly as snow. The Indus Plain has a semi-arid to arid climate with hot summers and mild winters. Rainfall is scarce and unpredictable. The coastal regions experience a hot and humid climate influenced by the monsoon winds. These climatic variations significantly impact agricultural practices, water resources, and the overall lifestyle of the people.
Pakistan's diverse ecosystems support a rich array of flora and fauna. The northern mountains are home to rare and endangered species like the snow leopard, markhor, and Himalayan brown bear. These regions also boast a variety of medicinal plants and herbs. The Indus Plain is characterized by grasslands, scrub forests, and riverine forests. Species like the Indian rhinoceros, Bengal tiger, and Indus River dolphin find refuge in protected areas within this region. Pakistan has established numerous national parks and wildlife sanctuaries to conserve its natural heritage. These protected areas play a crucial role in preserving biodiversity.
Pakistan is home to numerous UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including the Lahore Fort, Shalimar Gardens, and the ancient city of Taxila. These sites are not just remnants of the past, but living testaments to the rich cultural and historical tapestry that defines the region. The Lahore Fort and Shalimar Gardens, for instance, are masterpieces of Mughal architecture, showcasing intricate designs and lush landscapes that have stood the test of time. Over the centuries, Pakistan has been influenced by various empires and dynasties, including the Persians, Greeks, Mauryans, Guptas, Mughals, and British. This rich historical tapestry is reflected in the country's architecture, art, music, literature, and traditions. The Mughal era, in particular, left an indelible mark on the region, with its grand mosques, forts, and gardens. The British colonial period also contributed significantly, introducing new architectural styles and cultural practices that blended with the existing traditions. Pakistan has a rich and multifaceted cultural heritage, shaped by centuries of history. The Indus Valley Civilization, one of the world's oldest civilizations, flourished in the region over 5,000 years ago. The ruins of Mohenjo-Daro and Harappa stand as testaments to this ancient civilization's advanced urban planning, arts, and crafts. These ancient cities were marvels of their time, with sophisticated drainage systems, grid-like city planning, and impressive craftsmanship in pottery and jewelry. The artifacts unearthed from these sites provide invaluable insights into the daily lives, beliefs, and technological advancements of the people who lived there. Section 5. Echoes of the Past. Cultural Heritage. The cultural heritage of Pakistan is not just a relic of history, but a living, breathing entity that continues to evolve. Festivals, traditional music, dance, and literature all play a crucial role in keeping this heritage alive, ensuring that the echoes of the past resonate in the present and future.
Section 6. The Economic Landscape. Agriculture forms the backbone of Pakistan's economy, employing a significant portion of the population. The fertile Indus Plain produces a variety of crops, including wheat, cotton, rice, sugarcane, and fruits.
Pakistan is one of the world's leading producers of cotton and rice. The industrial sector has witnessed growth in recent years with a focus on textiles, food processing, pharmaceuticals, and cement production.
Pakistan possesses significant mineral resources, including reserves of coal, copper, gold, and natural gas. The government is actively promoting foreign investment in various sectors to boost economic growth.
Section 7. Unveiling Pakistan's Treasures, Tourism, and Cuisine. Pakistan, with its stunning landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture, has immense tourism potential. The country is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered by travelers from around the world. Its diverse regions offer a unique blend of natural beauty and historical significance. From the towering peaks of the north, where adventurers can trek through the majestic Karakoram range, to the historical sites of Punjab and Sindh, such as the ancient city of Mohenjo-Daro and the grand architecture of Lahore, the country offers a diverse range of attractions for travelers. Whether you are a history buff, an adventure seeker, or someone looking to immerse yourself in a new culture, Pakistan has something for everyone.
Adventure tourism, cultural tourism, and ecotourism are all gaining popularity. The country's varied landscapes provide endless opportunities for outdoor activities, from hiking and mountaineering to wildlife safaris and river rafting, and religious tourism are all gaining popularity. Pilgrims from around the world visit Pakistan to explore its rich religious heritage, including Buddhist stupas, Hindu temples, and Islamic shrines.
Pakistani cuisine is a delightful fusion of flavors, offering a culinary journey that reflects the country's diverse cultural influences. Influenced by Central Asian, South Asian, and Middle Eastern culinary traditions, the food scene in Pakistan is vibrant and varied, with each region boasting its own specialties. From aromatic curries and flavorful biryanis to succulent kebabs and tandoori dishes, the cuisine is a feast for the senses. Street food vendors offer an array of snacks that are both delicious and affordable. Pakistani food is a treat for the taste buds. Food festivals and local markets are great places to experience the country's culinary diversity.
Chai or tea holds a special place in Pakistani culture. It is more than just a beverage. It is a symbol of hospitality and a staple of social gatherings, and is enjoyed throughout the day. Whether in the bustling streets of a city or the serene countryside, sharing a cup of chai is a cherished tradition that brings people together.
Section 8. Navigating the Challenges. Pakistan faces a number of challenges, including poverty, illiteracy, political instability, and security concerns. The country is also vulnerable to the impacts of climate change, such as floods, droughts, and extreme weather events.
Addressing these challenges requires concerted efforts from the government, civil society, and the international community.
Despite these challenges, the people of Pakistan are known for their resilience, hospitality, and determination. The country is making strides in various sectors, including education, healthcare, and infrastructure development.
Section 9. A tapestry of resilience and promise. Pakistan, a land of contrasts and complexities, is a nation with immense potential. Its breathtaking landscapes, ancient history, vibrant culture, and resilient people make it a unique and captivating destination. As the country navigates its challenges and embraces opportunities, Pakistan's future holds the promise of progress and prosperity. By investing in its people, promoting sustainable development, and fostering peace and stability, Pakistan can truly shine as a beacon of hope and progress in the region.